So right now we're going to transition to the shotgun. Right now we've got the Mossberg 500 Persuader. Got this as a Christmas present. Going to kind of mess with it, see how I do. Probably not very well, but I'm going to let Clips tell me exactly what he wants me to do in this drill. So he's got to make it up on the fly because I just now asked him to do it.
Yeah, no pressure.
Yeah.
How many does it hold? Holds 5?
It holds 8.
Oh, holds 8. Oh, yeah.
So
holds 8. So run 2 or fire 2, take a knee, reload 2, fire 2 more.
All right.
You can. There's nobody here, so you can scoot and shoot if you want to move around a little bit.
All right. So that's what we'll do. Make sure. So we're just shooting. Was these 12 gauge, 2 3/4 inch shells. So, and I'll just put 2 of these in the pocket. So we've got 3 targets down there. I'm going to try to hit the first 2 and leave the one on the left by alone. So, or do you want me to do 2, 2, and 2?
That'll work.
Okay.
That sounds like a plan.
So 2 in, 2 in my pocket, and then actually 2 here.
Okay.
So we'll make it work. All right. So you tell me when, because we don't have the beeper.
Oh yeah. Shooter ready?
Yes, sir.
Beep.
Man, this is different. This is difficult. Oh man, this is really different. All right. Finished.
All right.
Let's kind of see how it did. That's fun. Well, I definitely, at how many yards, it definitely gets a decent pattern.
Yeah.
I'd have to say that dude's pretty wore out.
I think you got him.
Yeah, that's fun. Kind of going to do the same thing. Shooter ready? When you're ready.
I'll get on this side. Yep.
Oh yeah, there you go. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Beep. Ah. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's move her down there. Yeah, definitely got him. Good shooting. Beep. Love it.
Yeah.
Just a few runs and it gets really, really natural to it. Like that.
It's real warm too.
Yeah, it does get just a tidbit warm. Not as warm as another gun, but man, that's nice. That's nice.
Are those the low recoil or are they
These
standard 2 3/4?
These are standard 2 3/4 shells. They're not low recoil or anything. So they were just the pink ones, the breast cancer ones.
See, I'm a wuss. I always get the 2 3/4 low recoil or reduced recoil if I'm going to be shooting all day long.
Yeah.
That's all day long, but
yeah. That's nice.
Cool.